Oh my god, oh my shit.
Oh no!
Bro, what is happening?
Real bad man.
Malik, relax. Malik, relax. Because you're like, where is the customer service? Hey y'all. We're in Jamaica. First stop.
Jamaican KFC. See what the hype is about.
I don't know why you're saying hype. Who's hyped anything?
You have said it's so good, it's so good.
I said it's better than American KFC.
No, you used to be like, it's like the best thing. Oh my god, it's my favorite when I'm out here. Like, you hyped it up. You said it was so good.
He's lying.
I'm not.
I never said all of that. It's good though. Jamaican KFC is very good. Everybody says that. Everybody, anywhere. Jamaican KFC is the best KFC.
We'll see. You about to find out.
Alright.
We'll find out in a few minutes.
We just placed our order, so we'll see.
Oh, we're just waiting. Waiting.
Hey, we're approaching the food. Man, I don't know. The line is so long.
Oh, nothing.
Malik's enjoying himself way too much. He's like already. We ain't even did nothing yet.
Where's the KFC? Where's the chicken?
We gotta run the KFC back. It was okay, but
Can't let Jamaica go out like that.
yeah, we gotta run it back. I don't know. The food wasn't even hot for real, so we won't talk about it. We're gonna do it again another time. Gonzalez.
Woo-wee! Jamaica! We doing it, y'all! Alright, now slow down.
Miss Pauline! Roads, bro. Malika, you shocked by what you're looking at? You're like, what is this place? We're on our way to the beach. This is day 3 or 2. I guess it's day 3 of us being on the island, but it's official. It's like our second full day. Yeah, we don't have much daylight left. It's 4:25, but we had a lot going on this morning. But I just want to go to the beach, get some water on my skin before Malik is driving so recklessly in this little car. Go over. Jeez Louise. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna talk to you guys when we get there, because I feel like I gotta focus so I can help him drive.
I need no help driving. I'm doing just fine.
No, I didn't say you need it. I said I feel like that's what I need to do for myself. You know what I'm saying? I'm a little...
Bro, I don't control these roads.
You control how you drive on it.
I ain't gonna drive that slow.
My goodness. Like you're trying to take me out.
I'm an official Jamaican now. I know how to drive fast down these roads.
Don't be an official Jamaican. You cannot be an official Jamaican on day 3 of being here. And not even day 3 of driving.
This is day 3 of driving. I'm driving every day.
It's not. Yeah, but you've only driven for, the first day you drove for what, an hour?
That's plenty right there.
No.
Real Jamaican. Real bad man. Real bad man. That's what I am.
Oh my gosh! Ah! Yo! Bro! What is happening?
Real bad man.
Malik, Malik, relax. Look at the potholes in the road and you just sailing.
You saw that?
Oh my goodness.
Real.
I don't need you to be the real, but oh my god, oh my shit.
Oh no! My
Relax. Malik, myself for take time drive. Why you drive so fast? You're going to reach down there same way whether you drive fast or you take your time.
Real bad man. Nobody can talk to me.
What was that?
I was trying to think of how to say it. Nobody can tell me what to do. I was like, I actually don't know how to say that. So I just started saying it.
See the kids in their school uniform? That's how I used to be. My uniform.
Way
School. Yep. We are at Grab and Go. Wait. We're at Grab and Go gas station. Y'all, I have this pool thing that I brought from Vacay so that we could have him go in the water like this. But I left my pump. I wonder if they might have a pump in there for sale. Because I don't think I could blow this up. Can I blow this up? I can't blow this up. I gotta ask Malik to ask them if they have a pump in there. Let me text him. No.
No way. No.
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 We're here. Don't stop now. No man, keep going. I'm gonna change. How far you could go out? Probably. How'd you know? Wait, I gotta take this out.
Oh, you gotta show the ass, huh?
I mean, it's a cover up. It's not meant to go into the water. It's for when you're walking around on the beach. It's not for when you're into the water. Malik is trying to befriend this dog. He wants this dog so bad. And I don't know how you think you're going to get this back to America.
That I'm building trust on trust on trust. Eventually, he'll let me feed him out of my hand. And once he does that, he's my dog.
He is not your dog. It's a stray.
It's not going to be a day.
Huh?
But he will be my dog before I leave here. Look at him. Look how close he is. Look how comfortable he is being this close to me.
You want that dog to eat out of your hand?
Yeah.
I don't want no dog eating on my hand. There's also a stray cat in the yard. I don't know whose cat this is.
Another day I'll get him. But you see how close
Why do you want that?
He's cute.
Is it? It's got fleas.
Sure, he just needs some flea spray.
Did you touch it? He let you touch him?
Yeah, and he ran away.
Malik is such an animal person, y'all.
Or the cookies and cream. Those are your choices.
You don't know what you want?
You ain't never been before? You ain't
Get up.
food before? How much you need to think about it? It's a drink. You gonna drink it. Or something.
Hey y'all, so we're at Cafe Blue in Kingston. We came to get a little breakfast real fast. So, morning. Morning. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do enjoy. Thank you for coming.
Service is getting better.
It's getting better real quick.
Is that good?
I hope so. Guess what though? Plantation's open until 11, so you can really get the kids down and go leave guilt-free.
This is coffee.
Pardon?